The moment's here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is not gonna fit up here. So either way, thanks again to the great people over at Revzilla, Jen and the team, for sending me out this. Judging by the size of the box, you could probably figure out what type of riding gear it is. But if you can't, then I'll definitely show you. Drum roll, please. Look at that. So this is the LS2 Thunder Carbon. It is one of their extremely high end. And look at this. That's pretty awesome. So it comes with its own race bag. Pocket here. Don't worry, we'll get to the helmet store later. It's a nice little pocket. Probably some wipes or something. Another pocket here. This could double as a great bag for something else. But the belle of the ball, and it still comes with another bag. It's like I'm opening 3 different things. So it was in a box, that was inside of a box. It was in a bag, that was inside of a bag. Boom. So, let's get it all the way out and see what we got here. I'm not gonna lie, if the packaging is any indication of exactly how great this helmet is going to be, it's already starting off on the right sheet. The camera is not going to do this any justice. Look at that. Whew. Speechless. So, LS2 Carbon, I got mine in a size medium. This is a full race spec helmet. Few of the features is, by being carbon, it's only about 3.25 pounds. That is super light. Tons of breathability. You know, you got chin vents, you got brow vents, vents on top of the head, diffuser in the back has an exhaust fan on it. Safety-wise, DOT, race spec, pin lock system. I mean, it's just got technology for days. The inside of the helmet, oh, it actually has this. I really dig these. Whenever the latch is going to be a magnetic clip, this way you don't have to fumble around with it with gloves. Just get it close and you're good. So again, I got mine in a size medium. The actual opening in it, it's made to fit glasses. I don't wear glasses, but in case there's a few of you out there that do, it's made to fit glasses. One downfall is it's not purpose built to fit a comp system because it is a race spec helmet, so you don't have the ear cutouts like I do with some of my other bells. The other thing it has, quick pull release system in case you get in some type of accident. Medical crew has to get that off of you. I'll pull it out, but the helmet comes with a clear visor on it. And then if you look at the mechanism over here, that mechanism is chrome, which I'm gonna change out, but it also comes with black ones. So I'll change it out to black, but either way, let's see what else we got in the package. A dark windshield, still with pin lock. That's pretty cool. Comes with that in the box. Just in case you're not thinking about it, normally an extra windscreen or visor, an extra visor costs anywhere, depending on your helmet, anywhere between probably 35 and $100. And then you also have a little accessory baggie here. Looks like it has backing plates for both sides of the helmet in black, which I'm going to change that out here. We'll actually see how long that takes on camera. And matching black accessories that goes with it. All right, so let's get this clear visor changed off of here. Nobody rides around with a clear visor, right? So all I did was one Allen key, and that Allen key takes these two pieces out, which are both chrome, that we're gonna switch out for the black ones. So we'll do that on both sides. Boom, simple enough. Then we will, looks like it should just pull off, maybe. Simple. Either that or I'm a genius. Now we need to put on, we're gonna change the backing plate too. Let's get rid of all that chrome, all that flashiness. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking off this backing plate that is chrome and gonna replace that for the black ones that it also comes with. Probably should pay attention to how I'm doing it. 2 screws to take off the backing plate. These pieces here are individualized, meaning there's a left one and there's a right one. So just make sure you use the right one. One side, so that's what's gonna end up looking at. So again, that's completely blacked out. And this is what the original looked like. So hopefully that's coming up on camera. So we'll do this last side. So before we move on, this is what they need to fix. This right here, everything's all blacked out. Make that blacked out. Don't put the shiny stuff in there. Make that blacked out. Don't put the shiny stuff in there. But either way, we'll see what it looks like. Maybe it covers it all up once you're done and you can't see it at all. Who knows? Now we will go to put the dark visor on. So that's what it'll finally look like. Everything's exchanged out. Majority of the chrome's gone. We could fix a few things. Black out, black out, black out. Maybe there's a reason why they left it chrome. Who knows? To take it off, all you simply do is you open the helmet all the way up. We'll see if we can get this on camera. There is a, you'll see when I drop it down. There is a mechanism that's right here. That mechanism, you push down, it opens up. We'll do that on the other side. Push down, opens up. After that, lower the visor all the way down and pull out. So that is very simple. To put it back on, you just simply go in reverse, push it all the way in, make sure it goes back there, move it up, push the mechanism back up. It's 1, it's 2, and there you go. Now let's check fitment. So again, I got a size medium because I measured my head according to what their specs were. Sent them in the numbers, and so really it fits spot on. Like this feels perfect. Nothing feels to be pitching. I've moved just enough, but not too much. Helmet doesn't wobble around. So there you have it. That's the I believe this is actually from the 2021, fall 2021. But LS2 Thunder Carbon, 3.25 pounds, super light. Comes with a ton of accessories. Everything that's on the helmet right now pretty much already came in either clear or chrome. It comes with multiple backing plates. So this is the original backing plate. I've added the black ones onto mine. So it comes with the black set of backing plates. It came with a clear visor. I've exchanged mine. I put a dark smoke visor on it. It comes with not just a helmet bag or sleeve, but it also comes with a carrying bag, which I think is pretty crazy. It's pretty nice. It's got 2 pockets on the carrying bag. You know, I know that carbon fiber is not going to show up the way that it's supposed to. But either way, that is the LS2 Thunder Carbon. Comes in 3 shell sizes. It has Kevlar reinforcing. It's got the emergency cheek pad release. It's DOT. It's approved for pretty much anything. Plenty of ventilation. We're going to test it out on the road. You've got front chin ventilation. You've got brow vents. You've got vents for the cranium. You've got an exhaust in the back with your rear diffuser. Comes with a helmet sleeve. Comes with a helmet carrying bag. Comes with a clear visor. Comes with, these are the original chrome plating that came on it. It came with the black plating. Same with the little covering kind of spinner wheels. But it comes with the black ones too. Comes with a hydration system. It is pin lock. It even comes with tear-offs. Whew, that's a lot. But yeah, $6.99, revzilla.com. If you're military, they got military discount. Ask them about that. And we'll get this thing on the road.